I realize sometimes maybe I'm just a little too serious up here. Like maybe I should just try to have some fun. Maybe then other people would have fun just watching me have fun. So I'm gonna try to have some fucking fun. Check it out. Rappers step into me, they wanna get some. Most of them should go and try to boost their monthly income. Speaking over beats, that's when I feel complete. I don't hear the weak, I don't fear defeat. What you got? Connect the dots, erase the pot. Let's remove this blood clot from the brain of hip-hop. The name remains in tip-top shape. I'm still the whack rapper scapegoat in the aim of the hate. I came in late, took a chair in the rear. My classmates are unaware how long I've been there. My peers have been held back for years, holding back the tears. Put your hands in the air, it's atmosphere. You're so special, fasten that seatbelt. Come on, let's go. Ain't gon' land till I'm bigger than Espo. Texas, what you doing? Put your guns in the air. Go bigger than Jesus, bigger than wrestling, bigger than the Beatles, and bigger than wrestling plants. I wanna be the biggest thing to hit these little kids. Bigger than guns, bigger than cigarettes. The Surgeon General says that handguns are really bad for your unborn babies. Put your fucking hands up! A few years ago, a girl of mine asked me to keep her name out my rhyme. I said this rhyme that I'm about to say. It came from the heart, it went this way. Fuck you, Lucy, you make me sick. I hope your new boyfriend's got a tiny, itty bitty little shriveled up dick.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
I don't drink 40s, I'm old enough to drink. I'm not caught up in what the fuck the people think. When I die, they're gonna find the missing link. But tonight I'm gonna vomit in your kitchen sink. Come on everybody, let's all get down. They say sound is vibration, vibration is sound. I ain't lonely anymore, y'all. That's why I stopped acting like a sad clown. Poolside, screaming do or die. Looking at the water and asking, who am I? Saw my reflection. I'm super fly, as you can guess. I'm too damn high. I'm bigger than Jesus, bigger than wrestling, bigger than the Beatles, and bigger than wrestling plays. I wanna be the biggest thing to hit these little kids. Bigger than guns, bigger than syphilis. Speaking of syphilis, is the crab still a thing? Do people still catch crabs? No, like for real, this ain't a joke. Just thinking about it, like I can't remember like the last time I heard anything. Listen, has anybody here had crabs in the last 5 years? I used to know this woman who had the most beautiful tattoos on the top sides of both of her hands. She was 43 years old, and as far as I know, had never yet been with a man. And it's not that she wasn't attractive. Hey, I know the fucking words, okay? It's the way that she interacted. She was aggressively passive, to the point where she would have intimidated anyone that ever tried to catch it. And on the right hand, she had a tattoo of a nude girl, and she claimed that it's what God resembled. And on the left, a mirrored image of that same female. And this one, she explained, looked like the devil. And I remember once watching her touch her own breasts, and how the tattoos smile while they stared down her stomach, as if anticipating when they'd be allowed to caress the flower that they both seemed to hunger. Sweet Jesus. Yeah, I was probably high, but it felt all right. How heaven and hell both take to this woman's womb. It didn't make sense how she could commence touching herself with me wide awake in the same room. But if I've learned anything in my years, I've learned I no longer believe in surprise. But what happened next damn near stole my tears. The tattoos came alive. Do me a favor, put your hands up in the sky. Slowly stood up, climbed off of her hands. Show me why she never took that time with a man. They climbed deep inside of this woman's garden. She closed her eyes as she gently bit her bottom lip. I stepped, I left, and I don't regret leaving. I'll never forget all of the shit I saw that evening. A glimpse of religion, a small piece of coming closer to understanding more about what intrigued me most. I didn't get turned on. I wasn't as aroused as I was concerned. Each each one of them I've hurt, and every time I've been burned. I got a lot to teach and even more to learn. Now I keep my eyes open in hopes to take in all I can about woman, taking in all she can. For as long as I breathe, I'll save a seat in my memory for that woman with them tattooed hands. Let me see y'all's hands. Alright. As long as we keep that. Do me a favor, turn them around. I wanna see your dirty fucking fingernail. Alright, as long as we keep that. She can. And there's good and evil in each individual fire. Identifies needs and feeds my desire. As long as I keep that spirit inspired, she can bite her bottom lip all she wants. And there's good and evil in each individual fire. Identifies needs and feeds these desires. As long as we keep these spirits inspired, she can bite her bottom lip all she wants. And there's good and evil in each individual fire. Identifies needs and feeds our desires.
What she wants.
Yeah, we got that on film.